We are living in a remarkable time. Humanity is on the cusp of a new era of space exploration. Private companies like SpaceX are pushing the boundaries of what was once thought impossible. Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft, aims to take humans to Mars and beyond. The quest to explore the cosmos is a testament to human ingenuity. From the first rockets to sophisticated spacecraft, we strive to reach further into space. Today, reusable rockets are revolutionizing space travel. Imagine rockets launching and landing with the same grace as airplanes. Starship promises to reduce the cost of space travel, opening a new era of exploration. Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of SpaceX, is the driving force behind Starship. Musk's vision is to make life multiplanetary, with a self-sustaining colony on Mars. He believes that Starship is the key to achieving this ambitious goal. Musk's ambition is not merely to visit Mars, but to establish a permanent human presence there. This is a vision that extends far beyond a few astronauts planting a flag on a distant planet. It's about creating a new home for humanity, a backup plan for our species in case of a catastrophic event on Earth. Starship is integral to this vision. Its reusable design and massive payload capacity make it the ideal vehicle for transporting the large amounts of equipment, supplies, and people needed to build a self-sustaining Martian colony. Musk's unwavering belief in this vision has propelled SpaceX to the forefront of space exploration. His leadership and ambition have inspired a new generation of engineers and scientists, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace engineering. Developing a fully reusable rocket is incredibly complex. One of the biggest challenges is protecting the spacecraft from re-entry heat. SpaceX developed a new heat shield system for Starship. Re-entry at hypersonic speeds generates intense friction. This friction generates extreme heat, enough to melt metals. Protecting the spacecraft is crucial for a successful landing. SpaceX's innovative heat shield withstands scorching re-entry temperatures. The heat shield is made of hexagonal ceramic tiles. These tiles ablate, burning away to carry heat and protect the spacecraft. Developing a reliable heat shield is one of many engineering hurdles. It's a testament to SpaceX engineers' ingenuity and perseverance. Starship is not just a spacecraft, it's a two-stage system. The first stage is a massive rocket booster called Super Heavy. The second stage is the Starship spacecraft itself, which sits atop the booster. Super Heavy is a behemoth, standing nearly 400 feet tall and powered by 33 Raptor engines. Its job is to lift Starship off the launch pad and propel it high into the atmosphere. Once its fuel is spent, Super Heavy separates from Starship and returns to Earth for a controlled landing. Starship, the upper stage, is designed for both orbital and interplanetary flight. It has its own 6 Raptor engines and can carry over 100 tons of cargo or up to 100 passengers. This massive payload capacity makes Starship ideal for transporting the large amounts of materials and equipment needed to build a base on Mars. Together, Super Heavy and Starship represent a new era in spaceflight, one where powerful, reusable rockets will make space travel more affordable and accessible than ever before. Section 5. The Heat Shield, protecting Starship from re-entry. The heat shield is one of Starship's most critical components. It's made of thousands of hexagonal tiles designed to protect the spacecraft from the extreme temperatures of re-entry. Imagine entering Earth's atmosphere at over 15,000 miles per hour. The friction between the spacecraft and the air generates an enormous amount of heat. Without a proper heat shield, Starship would simply burn up. SpaceX's engineers spent years developing and testing different heat shield materials and designs. They eventually settled on a system of hexagonal tiles made from a high-tech ceramic. These tiles are incredibly durable and can withstand temperatures of over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. During re-entry, the heat shield's tiles will ablate, meaning that they will gradually burn away. This process carries away heat and protects the spacecraft's structure. The hexagonal shape of the tiles allows them to fit together snugly, minimizing the gaps that could allow hot gas to penetrate the heat shield. Section 6. Mechazilla, the giant robotic arm. SpaceX developed a unique launch tower for Starship, nicknamed Mechazilla. This giant robotic arm is designed to catch the returning Super Heavy booster after launch. Mechazilla is a marvel of engineering, a symbol of SpaceX's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space technology. It's equipped with massive arms that are designed to catch the Super Heavy booster as it returns to Earth after separating from Starship. The idea of catching a rocket with a giant robotic arm might seem like something out of science fiction, but it's a key part of SpaceX's plan to make Starship fully reusable. Traditionally, rockets are discarded after a single use, which adds significantly to the cost of spaceflight. By catching and reusing the Super Heavy booster, SpaceX aims to drastically reduce the cost of launching Starship. Mechazilla represents a bold and innovative approach to rocket recovery. Its successful operation will be a major milestone in the development of reusable spacecraft, paving the way for a future where rockets are treated more like airplanes, landing and launching with regularity. Section 7, Flight Test 5, a daring mid-air catch. On a sunny afternoon in Texas, SpaceX attempted something truly audacious, catching a giant rocket booster in mid-air. This was Flight Test 5, and it was a major milestone for the Starship program. The launch of Starship Flight Test 5 was a breathtaking sight. The Super Heavy booster, with its 33 Raptor engines roaring to life, lifted the Starship spacecraft off the launch pad and into the clear blue sky. Minutes later, after expending its fuel, the Super Heavy booster separated from Starship and began its descent back to Earth. The massive robotic arms of Mechazilla reached out, ready to make history. The tension was palpable as the booster approached the launch tower. Would Mechazilla be able to make the catch? Section 8, Booster 12's return and capture. As the Super Heavy booster, designated Booster 12, approached the landing pad, Mechazilla's robotic arms swung into action. The arms, guided by a sophisticated system of sensors and hydraulics, moved with surprising speed and precision. The timing had to be perfect. Mechazilla needed to catch Booster 12 at just the right moment as it was slowing down from its descent but before it touched the ground. Too early, and the booster's momentum would be too much for the robotic arms to handle. Too late, and the booster would crash into the landing pad. For a moment, it seemed like everything was going according to plan. Mechazilla's arms closed around Booster 12, but then, disaster struck. The booster, still carrying residual fuel, exploded in a ball of fire. The explosion sent shockwaves through the surrounding area, and a massive plume of smoke and debris billowed into the sky. Section 9. Ship 30's journey to the Indian Ocean. While the booster capture attempt ended in a fiery explosion, Starship Ship 30, the upper stage, continued its journey. It flew for several minutes, testing its systems and gathering valuable data. Ship 30, having separated from the booster, continued its ascent into the upper atmosphere. Its 6 Raptor engines burned brightly, propelling the spacecraft higher and higher above the Earth. During its brief flight, Ship 30 performed a series of maneuvers, testing its ability to maneuver in space. Sensors on board the spacecraft collected data on its performance, providing SpaceX engineers with valuable information that will be used to improve the design of future starships. After completing its planned flight path, Ship 30 splashed down in the Indian Ocean, marking the end of its journey. Section 10. Reactions and accolades. Despite the explosion, the mission was considered a partial success. SpaceX had demonstrated the ability to launch and land Starship, and they learned valuable lessons from the booster catch attempt. The explosion of Booster 12 was a setback, but not a failure. SpaceX, known for its iterative design process, views such incidents as opportunities to learn and improve. Elon Musk, never one to be discouraged, took to Twitter to congratulate the SpaceX team. "We pushed the system to its limits today," he tweeted. "Lots of lessons learned for the next flight test." Space enthusiasts and experts around the world praised SpaceX's ambition and engineering prowess. The attempt to catch a rocket in midair was a testament to the company's bold vision and its willingness to push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 11. The future of space exploration. SpaceX's Starship represents a major leap forward in space exploration. Its reusability and large payload capacity have the potential to revolutionize space travel, making it more affordable and accessible than ever before. Imagine a future where we have a permanent base on the moon, where humans are living and working on another celestial body. Imagine traveling to Mars not as a distant dream but as a real possibility within our lifetimes. Starship has the potential to make these dreams a reality. Its development is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless desire to explore the cosmos. Despite the challenges and setbacks, SpaceX continues to push forward, driven by a vision of a future where humanity is a multi-planetary species. Starship is the vehicle that will take us there. The journey has just begun.